Hi, you need a haircut. You need your photo taken. You know what? Phone me. I'll come to your house, cut your hair. If you are a care home, I'll come to your care home and cut your hair. If you are disabled and you need a haircut, I'll come there. Maybe you're getting married, you need photo taking, call me and I'll come to you. Listen, maybe you don't feel like to go to barber shop. I'm just working through network. You know, you'll see my page in Hair and Beauty Photo Studio, and you'll see my Twitter is Hair Beauty, so you can call me or send me an email for appointment. I want a haircut and I'll come to you. So it's something you don't really have to stress yourself for. You know what I mean? I'm here for you guys. Okay guys, so, and ladies, maybe you want your haircut with a common tongue, I'll call to you. Before I was in the studio, now I'm sort of like I'm around, so I can come out to you. I can come out to you wherever you are, I can come out to you, okay? See ya, bye.